Hey y'all, doing the Trane change out today. Finally putting in my first Trane. Thought I'd give y'all a shot of these pretty horses. And Fritz, this is just for you, buddy. Look what we're taking out. There it is, American Standard. Indoor unit's got a bad Freon leak. This is a Heritage 10. It's a 1999, and he's ready to upgrade. This is a 10 seer. We're putting in a XB13 today. So it's also an American Standard air handler. This is a heat pump, of course, and got a real bad Freon leak. It didn't. I mean, I just pumped it down. It didn't hardly have any refrigerant in it at all. But we're gonna get them swapped out and put them a Trane in here, and I'll get back with y'all as soon as I get it installed and get some more footage of that. But I thought I'd shoot that for you, my brother Fritz. That's what we taking out the old American Standard. I'm actually gonna keep this condenser and sell it as used. I get a lot of that around here. I don't know about y'all. A lot of people can't afford nothing. I just Alright, y'all. This is how she's going so far. I got her soldered up. It's a good ways away from the house. Well, I just gotta say, guys, it's my first Trane. I am just like shocked. I'm over the moon. There's just no comparison. This is a awesome piece of equipment. I'm not even sure that awesome is a good enough word. It's just the way it's built. Just everything about it. I'm over the moon, guys. Well, I'll get some more footage as soon as we wrap it up. Condenser's just about done. Take it easy, y'all. Hey y'all, there it is, the Trane XB13 heat pump, up and running. Very quiet. Guys, I'm impressed. I am very, very impressed. Beautiful unit, quiet. Never looking back. I'm getting her charged up right now. I just started it, so subcooling is only 2 degrees, or 3 now. The panel says 8 plus or minus 3 degrees either way, under or above. But I just started it up. It ain't even been running 5 minutes, so I'm gonna let it run about 30 minutes before I even start jacking with it. Very, very impressed. Fritz, we didn't make a big jump. We took out an American Standard, but we went back with a Trane, so it's all good. That American Standard was actually in worse shape than I thought it was. It had a lot of mildew on it, a lot of rust. It was a 99 model, but he's happy. He was ready to upgrade. Alright, y'all. There it is one more time. The Trane XB13 heat pump, 4-ton. First Trane unit installed by Israel Air Conditioning and Heating. Many more to come. Thanks for watching.